Bonjour tout le monde. Today we are going to learn les articles partitifs. So what is les articles partitifs? The partitive articles are used to denote an imprecise quantity, which means some. Il achète du pain. He buys some bread. So here the quantity of the bread is not mentioned. So here we had used some. So this some is what? Partitive article. Okay. So let's start with the topic les articles partitifs. So there are 4 types of les articles partitifs: du, de la, de le, and they. So let's learn that where and how to use this. Du, de la, de le, and they. The first one, this will come in front of masculine singulier noun. Okay. The la will come in front of feminine singulier noun. The le will come in front of masculine or feminine singulier noun, but the noun should start with an vowel or an silent H. Okay? They will come in front of masculine or feminine plural noun. Okay? So let's revise this once again. Du will come in front of masculine singular noun. The la will come in front of feminine singular noun. The la will come in front of masculine or feminine singular noun, but the noun should start with an vowel or an silent H. Okay? They will come in front of masculine or feminine plural noun. So let's do some examples and it will be clear to you. The first example, il achète du pain. Okay? The meaning of the sentence is what? He buys some bread. Now, the quantity of the bread is not mentioned. So, we had used what? Du. Why? Because pain, bread, is what? Masculine. So, we have to use du over there. Okay? Let's take the next example now. Il achète, he buys, jam de la confiture. So here, the meaning is he buys some jam. Okay? He buys some jam. Il achète de la confiture. Okay? Now, confiture, jam is feminine. This is the reason we had used de la over here. Let's take the next example now. Il achète de l'eau. Okay? The meaning of the sentence is what? He buys some water. Okay? Now this water or starts with an vowel and this is singular as well. So we had used de l'eau. Okay? Let's see the plural example now. The plural one. Il achète des biscuits. Okay? So he buys some biscuits. Now this biscuits is in a plural form. S. So this is the reason we had put DES over there. And the meaning is some. Okay? Got it? Okay, so we have done the examples. I'd like to tell you one more thing here. Although the partitive articles and the contractive articles are same, but the meanings are totally different. They are du, de la, the L apostrophe, and they. The partitive will be, these four are partitive and these four are contractive as well. But partitive, the meaning is some, and contractive, the meaning is of the or from the. So this you have to keep it in your mind. Let's do two more examples of this. Okay. Il achète du pain. Here, this du is what? This du is partitive article. Okay. And the next one, the next example. Il parle du professeur. Now, if you can see, both the article looks same. This is also due, this is also due. But here, this one, the first sentence is, he buys some bread. Now, this some is partitive. And here, he is speaking of the teacher, of the professor. Now, this is what? Article contractive. And the meaning is what? Of the. Here, due, the meaning is some. Got it? Okay. Now let's do the negations as well with this partitive article. La négation with partitive articles. Okay. That partitive articles will change into de or d apostrophe. Okay. Let's do 2 or 3 examples and it will be clear as well. Je veux du gâteau. I want some cake. Okay, let's change this example into negative now. Je veux. Now, here we have to put ne because we are changing into negative. Je ne veux pas. Now, this du will change into what? De. Gâteau. Okay, got it? Now this du will change into de if the sentence is in a negative form. Okay, whenever there are the partitive articles du, the, la, the l apostrophe or des, these 4 articles will change into de or d apostrophe. Okay, when we're changing into negative sentence. Okay, let's see one more example. Vous achetez des robes. Okay, you are buying dresses. And change it into negative now. Vous n'achetez pas. Now what we have to do with this? This will change into what? This will change into de, the, robe. Okay, when we are changing the positive sentence, this is a positive sentence, changing into negative, we are just putting ne pas and we are changing the partitive article, we are putting de, the. Let's take one more example of d apostrophe as well. Elle boit de l'eau. She is drinking water. She is drinking some water. So here, let's change this into negative. Elle ne boit pas. Now this, the le will change into d apostrophe o. Okay, because o, this is an vowel. So this will come, d apostrophe will come in front of o. Okay, let's take one more example of the la as well. Elle mange de la viande. Okay, elle ne mange pas. First of all, we'll change it into negative. Then our article, de la, will change into what? The. Viande will come as it is. Okay, elle mange de la viande. Elle ne mange pas de viande. So let's revise this once again. These are our partitive articles. Okay? If we change it into negative, we are changing all these into the or D apostrophe when we are putting NPA in the sentence. Okay? So with this, we have done les articles partitifs. Okay? And the meaning is some. Merci beaucoup. Thanks a lot.